Read a book every day for small children. Hey, awesome readers, let's read this book, Disney Moana. Even when she was little, Moana of Motunui loved the ocean. She also loved listening to Grandma Tala stories. Moana's favorite was about the trickster demigod Maui, who stole the heart of the mother island Te Fiti. According to Grandma, Maui upset the balance of nature by stealing the heart. Moana's dad, Chief Tui, believed the ocean was dangerous. The islander were forbidden to sail beyond the reef. But little Moana felt a deep connection to the ocean and to all the creatures who belonged in it. She always wanted to help. And the ocean noticed. It gave Moana a special gift. When Chief Tui picked up Moana, she dropped the gift. Luckily, someone else picked it up. It was Grandma Tala. She believed the ocean's gift was the heart of Te Fiti. As she grew, Moana worked hard to help lead her people and follow her father's rules. But when Moana turned 16, Grandma Tala took her aside. "It's time to learn who you were meant to be," Grandma said. She led Moana to a hidden cavern. When Moana started drumming, she could feel the spirits of her ancestor. They were wayfinders, voyagers on the ocean. Grandma Tala's last wish was for Moana to journey across the ocean, find Maui, and restore the heart of Te Fiti. So, with the heart safe inside her necklace, Moana set sail. But sailing on the open ocean was not easy for Moana, especially when a storm hit. Moana and her boat washed up on a faraway island, where she met Maui, the demigod. He was not what Moana expected. Maui stole Moana's boat, but when he tried to sail away, the ocean made sure Moana went with him. The ocean wanted them to work together. Maui promised to help return the heart of Te Fiti only if Moana helped him find his magic fish hook. But first, they had to get past the Kokomora, an army of wild coconut-clad bandits. When Moana and Maui finally reached Te Fiti, the mother island was gone. Instead, there was a lava monster named Teka. Maui and Moana tried everything, but they could not defeat Teka. Then Moana had an idea. Summoning all her courage, Moana gave the heart to Teka, and Teka remembered who she was meant to be. She was Te Fiti. With her heart restored, Te Fiti bloomed once again. The world was back in balance. Moana and Maui said goodbye. Their journey together was complete. Maui transformed into a hawk and flew away. It was time for Moana to return to her people. The young girl from Motunui now knew exactly who she was meant to be. She was a daughter, a leader, and a wayfinder. She was Moana.